Jump on the back, see?
Go in the middle. Okay, I'm trying. Are you recording?
Yeah.
I want to say hi. My mommy had a baby.
That's documented now, Kayla. Woo! Stop, Leah!
Spreading my legs apart.
Sounds like fun then, Leah.
I feel like I'm on like a flower, you know, like the fairies.
You feel like you're on a flower?
What's your higher? Huh?
Your
Higher? Okay. Just a little bit.
Fucko. Nice muscle.
Not that high. That's too high.
No, that's not high, Kayla. When you get up there, it's not gonna be high.
Fun.
No.